What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Yes, welcome. My channel is all about travel, fashion, lifestyle. So I am off to a party. Yes, Hollywood party. So this party, I'm told, it's being thrown by Jamie Foxx. And at first, my friend, she texted me, and her husband, he works with Hollywood people. So a lot of time he get access to events, and we get invited out and so forth. So this is the first time I guess she has extended me an invitation and stuff. She always telling me about the fabulous stuff that she be doing. So she extended this invitation. She said, hey, last minute stuff. She was like, hey, are you interested in going to a party that's being thrown by Jamie Foxx? Yes, honey, yes. I want to go bump some head with celebrities. Yes. But then when she told me the condition, I'm not looking forward to it too much. I'm really not. I'll tell you why. So she was like, there's no cell phone allowed into the party. Why? What? What do you mean? No cell phone allowed. You have to leave your phone in your car. You know, if you show up there with the phone, they're going to turn you away. They're going to be checking, scanning you like you're getting on an airplane. I'm like, okay, all right. You know, it's a sad day when you go to a party and you can't even bring your phone. So I'm all dressed up, and this is a jumpsuit. I haven't taken a picture yet, so I'm going to show you guys a picture of this. This is another piece of clothing that's in my, what was in my wardrobe that I never wore it. And I bought it from like I bought this a couple of years ago when I was out here in Cali, online, on a website. It was from England, because I remember the price was like in British pound and so forth. So I forgot what the name of it. But the name of the website, you know, if I can remember, I put it in the link. So it's nice. This like this nice baby blue type jumpsuit. It's open back. It's like flowy, very nice. It's comfortable. So yes, honey, this is it. My first Hollywood party. So I'm gonna check it out, come back, let you guys know what it's about. So, and just to give you guys a little review of what's been going on. Yes, I've been busy. I had a house guest, my friend from New York, Nelly. Big up yourself. Even though she don't watch my channel and stuff, whatever. She does this. She's such a busy lady. She's a nurse, and, you know, she's always so busy. So she came out here to visit me with her daughter and her niece. So that was really nice. You know, I had some house guests, so that was nice. I fixed up my, one of my bedroom, like my guest room and stuff. And I think it turned out really nice. So this is a blow-up bed. I put a blow-up bed that I bought from Amazon. And I just decorate this little room. Yes, I told her, I was like, listen, I decorate these rooms for you guys, all with blow-up bed. And it looks like a bed. No, what's the word I'm looking for? It looks like a bed and breakfast. I say I have a bed and breakfast. I was very pleased with myself and so forth. You know, I cleaned, I fixed up, and I just want them to be comfortable. They had a really nice time, and I'm glad. So, you know, so that was nice. And what else happened? So some of the things that we did, you know, I did a lot of driving. I drove, she was here for 4 days. I drove her around. I think I took her to Santa Monica Pier. Touristy stuff, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Took her to Hollywood Walk of Fame. Where else did I take her? Hollywood Walk of Fame. Went to Universal Studios. So I would say that was one of the highlights of the trip and so forth for, well, I guess for me. Because I've never been to Universal Studio Hollywood. So we went inside and I did the studio tour. I'm going to do a post on the studio tour. I loved it, where you were able to see the scenes from different movies. The set, I should say, the set from different movies, set like Jaws.
Last sweep of the harbor right now. He says there's no sharks.
Oh, we're gonna get rid of some.
That looks like a massive shark. Steve! You know, Steve had a lot of guts to be out there today, guys. Oh, and there they are.
There they are.
I'll tell you what, our driver's going to pull us up. We're going to get behind this safe pier. I think this would be better here.
Sorry for your loss.
More water.
More water.
Oh, yeah.
Psycho, we saw the set of Psycho. That's a very popular movie. We saw the set for that. That hotel, the Bates Motel. So we saw it. You saw that movie.
Oh, folks, that does not look like a suitcase. Let's all just be really quiet. Maybe it looks like he saw us. Man, I think it's time to check out. All right, car 4, it's up to you guys.
Hotel, so we saw that. And War of the Worlds, it's amazing. They showed us the set for War of the World, and that's a real plane. I think it's a 747 plane that they bought and they blew it up. And just check this out.
Left-hand side, that is a real Boeing 747. It was purchased specifically for this set. It cost $200,000. Unfortunately, to move it cost over $1 million. Sometimes they really can get you with that shipping and handling.
Shipping and handling.
A little bit more about the idea behind this set is production designer Rick Carter and director Steven Spielberg.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steve had.
When you first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just...
Isn't it amazing? I mean, the guy said they spent like maybe $400,000 for it, but it's gonna cost them $1 million for them to pick it back up. So that's why they're like stuck with it. So I guess they put it at Universal Studio as you know, making money off it and stuff. Yeah, so that was really nice. I hope you guys enjoy the studio tours. If you ever go to Universal Studio Hollywood, if you're in California, take the Universal Studio tour. We only had to wait 40 minutes because, you know, Universal Studio is a theme park, and this wasn't a ride. This was like a tour where they show you different movie sets on how certain popular movies was made. It was really cool. I enjoyed that. So I videotaped a lot of it. They even encourage it. As they go around, when we were going around in our little thing, it was like, oh, get your cameras out. Get ready to see these. I said, well, okay. So that was really nice. So I said, okay, I'm going to show this on my channel, show it to all my peeps. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll come back and I'll let you guys know about how this Hollywood party went. And talk to you later. Peace out.
Hold on, Bryce.
Oh, he in the subway?
We have quite a few of the Flintstones cars as well. Those are made with those are fiberglass bodies, and underneath is a golf cart engine. We also have some of the cars from our Fast and Furious franchise. Now, the Fast and Furious franchise is one of our most successful here at Universal. The two most recent films, Fast and Furious 7 and Fate of the Furious, have both garnered over $1 billion at the box office. You may have seen that we also had the Jurassic Park Gyrosphere. That's also from the Jurassic World, from our most recent installment in the Jurassic Park franchise. And on the left, we also have a Bradley fighting vehicle that was featured in the Transformers franchise. Now, that may look like it's a real tank made out of really heavy metal. It's actually made out of plywood. And that allows us to make it cheaply, because a real vehicle would obviously be a little bit more expensive. Anyway, I think it's time for a little bit of a tropical